Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. And if you can tell, we are definitely not on our farm. We're not even in the right side of the country to be on our farm. We are hanging out back here in Odon, Indiana, which is southern Indiana, visiting some of our cousins. And the neighbor was out picking corn with an interesting single row corn picker. So we thought, well, let's go check that out and see what he's doing. So we stopped and visited with them. And what they did is they have, most of the time they use a 2-row corn picker, and to get all the way to the edge of the field, you know, there's 4 horses hooked up, 2 rows. It's hard to get those horses to turn at the end. So they've made this custom 1-row picker to do their outside rounds, the first 2, and they can hook it up with 1 horse or 2 horses, get in those tight spaces, and then they'll come back around with the 2-row picker. So yeah, come along with us as we check out the Amish neighbors picking corn, getting the field opened up. And then we have some footage that Isaiah took with the drone of another neighbor that happened to be out at the same time using a 2-row picker with 4 horses. So come along with us as we check this out. So now that we've checked out how they open up the fields with a custom small 1-row planter, we're gonna check out the other farmer, the other neighbor here that is using an old 2-row new idea corn planter that he's got hooked up to what they call a power wagon. It's just a wagon with a motor on it, gas motor that they're running a PTO shaft from to run the picker, and they're picking and shelling on this one. 75 horsepower engine is all they really use. He said you get away with a 50 horsepower, but they have a 75 horsepower. And then they got 6 horses pulling it. So let's check this one out.